We have seen how can we convert an infix to reverse Polish notation. What we are trying to do is how can we convert infix to postfix, sorry, infix to prefix or infix to a Polish notation. So what do I mean by that? Supposedly I'm having an example. I'm taking the same example again and again. Supposedly this is an expression that I'm having. I want to convert it into prefix. Prefix means operator. You will be writing the operator.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then you will write the operands. You will be writing
Ma'am.
the operator, then the operands, operator, then the operands. So for the given expression, this is the infix to prefix conversion. I hope the concept is clear. The first step is either reverse the string, reverse the infix expression, or you can start reading the expression from right to left instead of left to right. It is up to you. Either reverse the string and then go left to right, or read the expression from right to left. अब ये करने के बाद आपको करना क्या है? You have to scan one symbol by one symbol every symbol. So scan each input symbol in some S. Supposedly I am saving one symbol. Now you have to check S क्या है. Again the switch will happen. So if S is operand. Operand matlab 2, 3, 4, 5. If S is any operand, just add it to the output string. Add it to the output string as it is. In case it is an operand, add it to the output string. If S is a closing parenthesis. Now this time this is a closing. Postfix में पहले हम opening parenthesis check कर रहे थे. Since we are reading the expression in reverse, if it is a closing parenthesis, you have to push it onto the stack. So you will be pushing this on the stack. Now, when we are having S to be an operator, then we have to multiple check again.
अरे यार.
If the top of stack, whatever element is there, is a closing parenthesis. If the top of stack is a closing parenthesis, then push the operator onto the stack. अभी हमने closing parenthesis भी डाला था ना. If the top of stack has some operator which is same or lower priority, then push the current operator onto the stack. Else what you need to do? If you have an operator which is with higher priority already existing in the stack, then you will do the same thing. You will pop the operator from the stack and add it to the output expression. And add it to the output expression. And you have to repeat this step 5 once again. For the same I, repeat this step 5. Fine? Till here, is it clear? I will obviously show you the running. Operand, add to the string. You have a closing parenthesis, stack पे डाल दो. Operator है, अगर empty है या it is having a closing parenthesis, or there is an operator with same or lower priority, push on the stack. Otherwise, pop the operators from the stack till repeatedly pop करना है. ये same चीज लिखी है यहाँ पे. Till you see that either the stack goes empty or closing parenthesis, or it has operator with same or lower priority, and then push it onto the stack. Right? In case an opening parenthesis is encountered, pop the operators from the stack. Pop operators from stack till a closing parenthesis on the stack is encountered. The same thing that we do for conversion in infix to postfix. Just वहां पे हमारा closing parenthesis आता है तो opening parenthesis तक हम सब कुछ pop करते हैं. It is the reverse here since we are doing the expression in the reverse. If you have anything, if you encounter a opening parenthesis, pop everything till closing parenthesis is encountered and add it to the output string. And add it to output string. Also, pop the closing parenthesis, the opening parenthesis from stack and discard it. You have to repeat the steps for every symbol. So you go to step 2 till more input is there. More input symbols are left. After everything has happened, now you have to pop the remaining stack and add it to the output string. So pop the remaining operators from stack and add it to the output string. If there are any, obviously. Finally, one more thing that you need to do here is you have to reverse the output string to get the prefix expression. So this is the algorithm for performing the conversion. We'll do the step by step. I hope the algorithm is clear. Let us see how this can be done using the example that we are having. I have to calculate the prefix for this. Now let us see what happens. I have to first either reverse the expression or start reading it from the right. So supposedly I am, for simplicity, reading this expression from the right. Okay. So I will be having a stack. I have the reverse of my output string. ध्यान रखना reverse of output string है. End में दोबारा reverse करना पड़ेगा इसे. And supposedly I am also having the symbol which I am reading. Okay. So first symbol that I encounter is a closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis, push it onto the stack. Then I encounter operand. Operand, add to the output string. Then I have operator. Operator, push onto the stack. अगर closing parenthesis है तो. Fine. Then I again have the operand. 4 comes here. Now operand, add it to the output string as it is. Yes. Then you are having a opening parenthesis. Whenever you encounter opening parenthesis, pop the operators from the stack and add them to the output string till you encounter a closing parenthesis. Also pop the closing parenthesis and discard it. So the stack now becomes empty. Then you have an operator, push it onto the stack. Stack is already empty, so you push the operator onto the stack. Again, you have a closing parenthesis, push it onto the stack. Closing parenthesis आएगा तो you have to push it on the stack. Then you have an operand. Operand है, add it to the expression. Now you again have an operator, push it onto the stack. Since there is the top of stack is closing parenthesis, no need to check precedence. Again you have operand, add it to the output string. Now you have the closing parenthesis, opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis है, closing parenthesis तक सब कुछ जो है, you pop from the stack and add the operator to the output string. You add the operator to the output string. After doing that, your stack becomes this. Now, expression are over. Now, whatever is left in the stack, pop it out and add it to the final expression. So, the next step में stack becomes empty and the final expression that you are getting is this. This is the reverse output string that you have got. So, the prefix expression that you are looking at here will become the reverse of this expression, so that it becomes multiply plus 2, 3 minus 4, 5. This becomes your final prefix expression for the given infix 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 5. Is it clear to all of you? Is the conversion clear to all of you? So supposedly this is the expression that I am having, infix expression. A by B raised to the power C minus D, right? So I have to convert this into prefix expression. Again, I follow the same rules. I will read the expression from right to left. I have the symbol, I have my stack, and I have the reverse output string. Please, or you can write it prefixed string ka complement, which is the reverse. You can write that ways also. So I read D, D goes to the output string. I read minus, minus is pushed onto the stack. I read C, C goes to the output string. Then I am reading a power sign here. Now see, when you are trying to insert on something which is already having a lower priority in stack, then you will do the insertion. Higher पे low insert नहीं करना, low पे high insertion is possible. Then you have B, B gets added to the output expression directly. Now you are having a divide. Now divide is having less precedence than power. When you want to push the operator onto the stack and top of stack is having higher precedence, you need to pop this out so that and add it to the output expression so that you pop out the power operator. Recheck. Power pop out ho gaya. Now you have minus sign. Minus sign is having lower precedence than that of divide, so you can insert. So you push division operator here. Next is A. A is an operand. It is directly added to the expression. So you have DCB raised to the power and then you are having A. Now expression is over. Whatever is there onto the stack, kindly pop and add to the expression so that the final expression becomes A. Pehle divide pop hoga, then minus will get popped. Now you will be reversing. On reversing, you will be reversing this expression to get minus divide A raised to the power B C D. This becomes your desired prefix expression for the given example. I hope now it is getting clear to all of you. How are we doing infix to prefix conversions?